Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to embed Google Maps in Wix Studio. Now, if you've ever wanted to display a location directly on your website, whether it's for a business, an event, or just to make your site more interactive, then you're in the right place. Adding a map not only makes your website look more professional, but it also helps your visitors easily find exactly where they need to go. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way, so you don't have to worry if you're new to Wix Studio. We'll go from setting things up all the way to getting your map fully working and looking great on your site. So make sure to stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to embed Google Maps into your Wix Studio project smoothly and confidently. Let's hit started. First thing we want to do is open up our Wix dashboard. Then we go to the left side of the screen and hover over the option that says Site and Mobile App. Then again, hover on Website Overview. Then click the option that says Website. Here we are on the Website Overview. This is where you can see the big picture of your site. It's a nice way to get familiar with the layout, colors, and overall vibe. Everything is organized neatly so you know exactly what you're working with before diving in. Then we'll go to the top right side of the screen and click the option that says Design Site, which opens a new tab, which is basically the designer room of Wix. Here's where all the fun begins. You can see your site come together in real time. It's really cool to just look around and get a feel for the tools and options available. This space basically gives you full control over the look and vibe of your website. Then we'll go to the top left side of the screen and click the plus icon, then go down and click the option that says Contact and Forms. The new options list down where we click the option that says Maps, which is under the section Google Maps. Here on the right, you'll see a wide range of map templates for your website. Each one offers a different style and layout to suit your needs. Take a moment to explore them and see what catches your eye. Then go ahead and choose the one you feel most comfortable with. What we want to do next is just drag the one we chose and drop it to the place we want. And that wraps up everything we wanted to cover today. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how to get started and explore all the options available. Remember, the more you experiment and play around, the more comfortable you'll get with everything, and the better your website will look. Don't rush it. Take your time to try different layouts, styles, and templates to see what fits your vision the best. With just a few simple steps, you can really make your site unique and tailored to what you need. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.